so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going high.
How long do you think it's going to take us?
To set up the yurt?
Yeah.
Probably like 2 hours. Like have a light breakfast, put it up, and then we'll be like sleeping in it. No, 2 days?
Yeah.
I think 2 days.
Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go there. Going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah.
I didn't know you were gonna run. What if you would have fallen?
Hey guys.
Hey guys! That was like a race. So, we're back at our property.
Yeah, it finally stopped raining.
Yeah, we had a really long spell of rain in the Pacific Northwest, but it's gone, thank goodness. And we have our yurt here, so we're super excited to get it set up over the next few days.
Yeah, we have a couple of really nice days of weather. We have one last thing to do to the platform before we can start assembling the yurt. We're gonna put on the drip edge, and then we're ready to start unpacking and setting up the yurt.
Yeah. There was an amazing bird flying over you right there. So if the viewers saw me doing this, that's why. And so today's project is, you already said?
Yeah, setting up the drip edge, and then we're gonna get the lattice structure strung out and anchored down.
I didn't know we were gonna do that today too. That's pretty exciting. Okay, I think it's gonna be amazing.
Amazing.
It's gonna be huge.
Yeah, so.
All right, we better get busy.
Let's do it.
All right, dance, high five.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and it started to fade into your grave. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your grave. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. Backing down, cause the future is now. Not backing down, cause the future is now.